Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to set up a Modbus RTU master connection on a Schneider M241 PLC. In Machine Expert, we want to set the serial line settings same as the slave. Then we add a Modbus Manager device. Here, we set the Modbus Manager as master. Next, we want to create a new programming organization unit. In the first programming rung, we want to add a sen ADDM block. This block allows a Modbus connection to the slave device. To the first input of the block, we want to make a new local tag with the data type address. This tag will be used in the read and write blocks later. To the execute input, we want to add a normally open tag that need to be triggered once to activate the block. To the address input, we want to specify that we use Modbus RTU, which is number 2. Then we type the slave device Modbus ID number. Then we want to add a sen.write variable block. To the execute input, we want to make an execute tag, then add a blink block so we can post the execute every 1 second when the block isn't busy. To the address input of this block, we want to add the address table tag we created earlier. To the object type input, we need to specify which data type we are writing. I will go with holding registers, which is Word data type. Then we need to specify the first object and the quantity of holding registers we want to write. I'm going to write 10 registers, so I will type 0 to 9. To the buffer input, we want to make a new local array of words starting from 0 to 9, since we want to write 10 registers. In TIA Portal, I already set up a Modbus RTU slave program to an S7-1200 PLC. If you want to know how to program that, you can check out my tutorial for that on my channel. I will leave a link in the description. I will now test the connection out. If we go to the buffer area we made, we can write different values to the Siemens slave device. I have now changed the write block to a read block. This allows us to read values from the Siemens slave device to the master device. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.